vibe coding, 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 vibe coding. What the flick is vibe coding? Have you ever looked at a piece of code and thought, yeah, I'm not dealing with this today, and proceed to open an AI chatbot? Well, congratulations, you might already be a vibe coder. But wait, what is vibe coding? Is it the future of programming or just a fast track to creating a codebase so cursed that even Stack Overflow won't save you? If you've never heard of vibe coding, then my friend, you are not up to date with tech. So hit that subscribe button and I'll make sure you stay ahead of the curve. So what exactly is vibe coding? Coding while jamming to your favorite playlist? Nope, that's just regular coding but with better vibes. Vibe coding is when you let AI, or some fancy language model, do the coding for you. You just type a vague prompt, hit enter, and boom. The AI generates the code while you sip your coffee like a tech genius. The term vibe coding was actually coined by Andrej Karpathy in a post on X, formerly Twitter. He described it as completely trusting AI to generate code without even thinking about how it works. Just ask, run, and copy-paste. And with that, the internet exploded into a heated debate. Is vibe coding the future, or a disaster waiting to happen? All right, let's be real. Vibe coding isn't all bad. In fact, it has some big advantages. Faster development. Who needs to spend hours debugging when AI can just generate the code in seconds? No deep knowledge required. You don't need to be a coding wizard. AI does the hard part. Handles all the boring stuff. No more crying over CSS alignments or writing a 100-line function just to center a div. Sounds great, right? Well, hold on, because now we get to the real problem. All right, time to destroy all your hopes and dreams. You have no idea how the code works. You just copy-paste it from AI. But if something breaks, good luck. Debugging is a nightmare. Finding that one tiny bug in AI-generated code is like finding a needle in a stack of spaghetti. Your code may become unmaintainable. Today, AI writes your code. Tomorrow, AI abandons you. And now, you have a monster of a code base. Imagine this. You build a whole startup with vibe coding. Investors throw money at you. Life is good. Then, one day, your app crashes. You check the code, and you have no clue what's going on. Absolute panic mode. So, should you vibe code? The answer is, it depends. For quick projects, MVPs and hackathons, sure, vibe away. But if you're working on something serious, where reliability matters, you might want to actually learn how the code works. At the end of the day, vibe coding is like ordering fast food. It's quick, it's easy, but if you eat too much of it, your code might develop serious health problems. That's all for this video. So, what do you think? Is vibe coding the future or a chaotic mess waiting to happen? Drop your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next one. Happy coding. Or, should I say, happy vibing.